In this tutorial, we will show you how to edit a roster. First, navigate to the Rosters tab and click View Rosters. You will see Rosters Calendar for the current week. Simply right-click on the roster and click Edit. A pop-up window appears having existing roster details. Make your desired changes and then press Edit Roster. If you are editing any published or confirmed roster, then it will be converted back into draft mode and you have to publish it again for workers' approval. In order to edit roster notes, kindly follow Edit Notes option from the roster menu list. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more help tutorials.